very warm welcome to Great Principles. I'm Seema Choria. Our first guest today is a living inspiration to our teachers, parents, and students. A big believer in the value of hard work and perseverance, he has paved the path of evolution in education. Amongst his many achievements, he is the CEO of Mamta Group for past 42 years. He is founding chairman of the Institute of Education and Career Development since 2004. He is also the managing trustee of the Kumari Rajshri Parmar Memorial Foundation for the past 31 years. He is the founder of Seth Motilalji Hirachandji Parmar School. It's a pleasure to welcome an eminent educationist, chairman of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Schools, Pune, Mr. Subhashji Parmar. Joining with him, our next guest today is Ms. Mansi Marulkar, principal of the secondary section of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School, Pune. Ms. Marulkar has over 21 years of experience in academia. As principal, she is responsible for administrating students and focuses not only on improving education, but also providing quality education and all-round development of the students. I'm extremely delighted to welcome both of you to Great Principles. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am.
Many thanks, Seema, for this nice introduction.
Thank you, sir. Our privilege, sir. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Seema, for very nice and you can say delight. We are delighted with a very good introduction. Thank you so much.
It's a privilege, ma'am. So here we start on with this very interesting and insightful conversation. My first question is for you, Subhash, sir. What is the importance for having a clear vision for your school? How do you ensure that founder's vision is being executed in the right direction by principals?
Oh, wonderful. Seema ji, at an outset, let me congratulate your great principals team and you personally for your commitment to recognize the contribution of the school leaders and the principals and exceptional co-curricular activities being done by these people shaping in future of the nation. So I am grateful to this your forum and the initiative what you have taken for promotion of the education field. I'm very delighted to get participated in this today's interview. Coming back to your question, I feel that the mission, what you have asked about, the mission of my institute, as you know, Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School has been it has been started in 1985 at the birth sanitary celebration of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Suriswarji Maharaj Sahib, who throughout his life inspired the community, inspired the people to come out for the education, and he popularized education, especially into the people who have traveled all the way from Rajasthan and Gujarat to Maharashtra and other parts of India. So that is why I said that since that was the inspiration of the education, we started as per his looking at the education. And the mission, what we are looking to is to create responsible citizens with scientific outlook, culture, and tradition through holistic education. Seemaji, we feel that a well-constructed and integrated vision and mission statement helps us in focusing an organization, and vision also helps us to drive success now and in the future, and helps to increase efficiency and productivity of the organization. A clear vision helps me to create plans, set goals, observe them, to make decisions and evaluate the projects from time to time. It helps me to see my school on an international platform now. The objective of this system is to ensure that all children have access to quality education and enables them to achieve their full potential. The education committee, which we do have in our school, we do have the academic meeting of this committee every month, and we sit with the principal, and the principal updates us about the happenings happened into the school, and the discussions are done for the further activities of the next month also. This is how the vision and mission we are looking to.
That's wonderful, sir. So to all my viewers, it's a very important message. To run any organization successfully, you need to have a clear vision, and your vision needs to be inculcated in all your team. Together, only a success could be achieved with a
Very
very
true.
clear and mission statement. That was a very wonderful message, sir. And this is the reason that we see Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School making news today and flourishing to greater heights.
Thank you.
My next question to you is Mansi ma'am. Tell me about yourself and what makes your school, Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School, unique.
Yeah, thank you, Seema. Thank you for recognizing our school efforts and give us the opportunity to talk on this platform. Thank you so much. Let me give the answer to your question. I'm Manasi Marulkar, having 20 plus years of experience in education field. I did my MSc in physics and completed B.Ed. I'm passionate about learning new skills, experimenting with new tools and methodologies, and mentoring the students to bring best out of them. As a principal of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School, I can say that my school is unique in many ways. To mention few of them is the value education and moral education we impart to the students since the delicate years. We are committed to the all-round development of our students, and school host an exceptional inter-school CompuSkill championship from last 9 years. The Chandra Prakash Language Lab is the pioneering project by our school with a setup of 62 computers. Also, we have initiated various international educational exchange program. I'm glad to share that I work with continuous support and guidance of encouraging management and a team of competent teachers. Thank you.
Wonderful, ma'am. And Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School has truly amazing and unique programs going on with and the support of management along with the team is incredible. And together you both are, and the entire team, I would like to congratulate you all for bringing the new projects into education sector. Your
so
school
much,
has become a role model for many aspiring schools too.
Thank you, Seema.
So my next question is to you. If you were to reform the Indian education system, what would you do and why? Just a minute, sir. To reach out to many of our viewers, if we could use a little bit of Hindi also, that would be better, so that many message reaches to most of our parents and viewers. So again, I'll put up my question. अगर हमें Indian education system में कुछ reform करना है, तो वो आपके हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए और क्यों?
Seema ji, I mean, see that way, I'm a very small person, or say, let me be humble that perhaps it's a big question what you have asked me. लेकिन एक है जैसे आप कहा कि every person has to have his views, तो मुझे भी ऐसे लग रहा है कि भाई Indian educational system which we have been seeing as of now needs serious reforms as it focuses more on theoretical knowledge today. आजकल जो हम देख रहे हैं उसमें थियरी बेस्ड नॉलेज ज्यादा है, जबकि प्रैक्टिकल बेस उसमें ज्यादा होना चाहिए. समय के हिसाब से एज पर द चेंजिंग टाइम, एज पर द ग्लोबलाइजेशन, वी नीड टू हैव द बेटर say change of the theory and the practice also, which unfortunately is getting lacked according to me. The system should have respect for all the streams. Unfortunately, अपने यहाँ ऐसे अपने को दिखाई दे रहा है कि the system doesn't really recognize the efforts or that doesn't give the respect to all the streams, which should be a part of the education also. I feel that the school should aim raising the quality of the education in the country, means the educational reforms should aim at holistic examination, objective, and then the results coming out of this examination also. थोड़के में हिंदी में जैसे अपन बात करें तो यही चाहता हूं कि थियरी और प्रैक्टिस इसका मिलाप ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से होना चाहिए, ताकि थियरी पढ़ने के बाद में आदमी जब आगे निकलता है तो साथ में साथ उसने प्रैक्टिकल भी थोड़ा अप्रोच उसमें होना चाहिए, ताकि इट गेट्स जॉब ओरिएंटेड, इट गेट्स वैल्यू एडिशन, और उसके लिए सिर्फ डिग्री नहीं, उसके लिए एक ओवरऑल एजुकेशन, ओवरऑल पढ़ाई उसने करनी चाहिए, जिससे उसका एक उसकी प्रतिभा जो है वो सही सही दायरे में निकले, सही दायरे में उभरे, और जिसका उपयोग वो उसके पूरे जीवन में कर सके। ये मेरे ख्याल से ये दिस इज व्हाट आई लुक टू द से रिफॉर्म्स फ्रॉम माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, सीमा जी। थैंक यू।
So it's a very strong message from you, sir. अगर हम देखें तो हम आज भी बच्चों को वही हमने जो पढ़ाई की है वो पढ़ा रहे हैं, जबकि इनका फ्यूचर हमसे बहुत आगे है. If we look around past 50 years, we have seen the generation from, from the huge computer systems to mobile tablets.
Yeah.
So there is a huge change, and they really
Yeah.
need a reform in education. You very rightly said कि हम मार्क्स की रेस के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. जरूरत है बच्चे की पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर वर्क करने की. I hope we can ignite this change. हम ये change की शुरुआत खुद कर सकते हैं. And sir, you are known as a change maker, sir. So I'm sure this change would definitely be inculcated. Going ahead, ma'am, Mansi ma'am, this question is for you.
Yes.
What are the skills required these days for children to be best prepared to face the challenges in life?
Yes, Seema, it's a very good question. And you can say that, first of all, I strongly agree with the chairman sir's answer. I believe that theory and practical knowledge is required nowadays by the students. Blended education is required nowadays. Blended means mixture of practical as well as theory, and throughout thorough knowledge of any of the subject is needed by the students. In addition to this, I feel apart from the strong moral foundation, self-study and unbiased self-evaluation is also required by the children nowadays. Children should also get equipped themselves with out of the box thinking. They should think something differently. Their attitude must be different in when they are thinking about any of the problems. They should find out the various solutions which are unique out of the box. Okay. Also, in addition to this, time management is very important nowadays for the students to look upon. Independence of accomplishment of task with responsibility. Whatever the responsibilities are given to them, they should complete it with complete dedication, and instilled value of environment protection. And they should develop scientific attitude amongst all the things that they are coming across in their day-to-day life. I strongly feel that analytical thinking, problem solving and balanced decision making skills are required nowadays, along with digital proficiency, because nowadays you know that children must know the digital knowledge because of the pandemic from last 2 years, children are not only, you can say, controlled in the classroom for the offline teaching, but they have to face the online teaching also. So of course, digital proficiency is also a very important thing which is needed. And these type of the skills will help the student to face the future challenges. Thank you.
Very rightly said, ma'am. Pandemic ने हमारे सामने बहुत सारे न्यू डोर्स ओपन भी किए हैं. डिजिटल प्रोफिशिएंसी के साथ साथ में स्कूल्स की तरफ से ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव अभी चालू है कि आप डिजिटल मीडिया को सही तरीके से कैसे यूज करो. देयर आर मेनी चिल्ड्रन दोज हु आर मिसयूजिंग दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. They are not using it for the education purpose. They are using only for entertainment purpose or for playing games. But there is so much that we can get. And these days with pandemic, schools are playing a major role in guiding children to use digital platform to learning. So ma'am, according to you, and I hope this goes for further also, that every child should be a problem solver, a decision maker, a critical thinker, and definitely a responsible citizen of the nation.
Yes, yes.
A wonderful answer by ma'am. And now we move to Subhash sir. Sir,
Sure.
You have a special language lab, which is something really spoken about, with 62 computers in your school. And sir, ये बहुत ही अलग चीज है. I've never came across a school which has a language dedicated lab. And so I would like to know from you why children should learn foreign language, and what is the importance of imparting this foreign language education?
See, madam, over the period, we all have become more global, basically. And at an outset, we must say accept and appreciate that English is a global language to start with, in case if we look at that from that point of view. Learning a foreign language opens a wide range of global opportunities in all the fields. Basically, say the children after the school, they go for the further studies, and after that they go for the profession, business, or otherwise they shall be going for some sort of the work as such. So everywhere communication is an integral part of everything, and what all opportunities in a way that enhances their skills. उनको उनकी भाषा अपन सही ढंग से यदि सिखाए तो वो उनकी चीज जो है वो बड़े अच्छे ढंग से दूसरे को कह सकते हैं, समझा सकते हैं और के ऊपर अमल कर. That's why I mean we felt that since the children going out of the school, they are going to go for the further studies, profession or business later on, unka flair of the education needs to be the best as such. Normally we have seen ki yadi language aapki achhi nahi ho, in case if you are lacking on the language, then you sometimes develop the inferiority complex. You don't wish to face the problem. तो उनका फ्लेयर बढ़ाने के लिए we felt that we must try to bring in the best of the language as such. अभी अपने यहाँ जब हमने ये सोचा कि लैंग्वेज अपने को फ्लेयर डेवलप करनी है, तो उसके लिए we just studied and we just came out with this language lab. Let me tell you, Seema ji, that this language lab, which as you have rightly said, this is the unique and the language lab, and I should say this was the largest language lab in whole of the country when we started. इतनी बड़ी language lab 60+ computers की भारत भर में कहाँ नहीं है. Yeah, this was the first language lab. This is what we were also told by. So we are really proud of the thing as such. तो उसमें जैसे normally say the language is taught with the four say the basic things कि जैसे it's a learning ability, the speaking ability, the writing ability and reading ability.
Right.
तो लर्निंग यू नीड टू लर्न, यू नीड टू भाई आपका लर्निंग उसमें कैलिबर बढ़ता है, देन यू स्पीक एज सच, और फिर उसके बाद में रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग भी आ जाता है. तो लैंग्वेज के ऊपर फ्लेयर उसके बढ़ने से उसका बाहर का उसका अप्रोच जो है दैट बिकम्स ग्लोबल. ही इज रेडी टू फेस एनी चैलेंजेस टुमारो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई एट आचार्य श्री विजय वल्लभ स्कूल वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड German, we have introduced English, and a Sanskrit also, local language, we are going to introduce from standard 5th. 5वीं से हमने language lab इस्तेमाल करना चालू किया है, ताकि by the time he goes out of the school, his the flair of the language definitely is increased. We feel that the students get an opportunity to participate in various workshops arranged at various places in India and abroad also. अभी हमने जैसे ये हमने मैडम ने जैसे कहा, हमने ना वी हैव ओपनड अप द इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशनल एक्सचेंज आल्सो. तो उसमें हमारे बच्चे अभी ब्राजील के बच्चों से पोर्टुगीज में जब बात करते हैं तो उन्होंने वहां के बच्चों को नमस्ते सिखाया, और वहां के बच्चों ने हमारे बच्चों को ओब्रिगाडो, ओला. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स व्हिच आवर चिल्ड्रन हैव लर्न. सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स ब्रिंग्स them together, that brings cultural together, that brings academics nearer. तो ये सारी चीजें होने के हिसाब से we felt that language lab should be needs to be and basic requirement of each and every school. Thank you, Seema ji.
That's a commendable thing to have something like this, a language lab. A child who is a multilingual has a better edge over others. That is very much observed in the society, and it makes him, a better communicator going ahead because he has a rich vocab with him. So that's a wonderful vision to start with, and making children multilingual is the need of the future. Just like Language Lab, you have some other amazing programs like Bal Bhavan, IECD and IBVEE, which encourages versatility. So we'd like to know the importance of vocational training for better work of life.
Yes, initially I want to thank for recognizing our efforts for all these activities. IECD, that is the Institute of Education and Career Development, and Bal Bhavan, which is nothing but Evening Activity Center, are our tools of vocational training. I would like to add in this that under IECD, we run several courses like basic and advanced computer courses, spoken English courses, German language, phonics, abacus, handwriting, personality development, yoga, skating, gymnastic, drawing, singing. In addition to that, early child care of education, that is the pre-primary teachers course, beauty parlor, home science, cooking, dance, and tele. So all these are nothing but you know that all these skills are required in order to all these are, you can say that these are the vocational training which are required for the students, and of course the parents are also welcome for all this use of both these activities. Bal Bhavan is a design for small children. It is an evening activity center where games, cycling, drawing, craft, and dances, such type of the activities are arranged. Teachers focuses on children's development stage by conducting these activities, and they arrange various competitions also. So of course, IECD and Bal Bhavan, they are our tools of vocational training. We conduct activities, courses throughout the year. Through these activities, we get associated with our students, parents, and surrounding as a whole, because all are invited, whether they are associated with the school or those who are staying near the vicinity of the school. Anybody can come and enroll their name for IECD and Bal Bhavan. This association helps everyone to recognize their inner skill and improve themselves. In today's world, almost everyone wants people who have a proper skill that will benefit their company or their organization. So in this case, of course, this is very, you can say, basic things which are required nowadays. And through these two programs, we surely fulfill this goal as they become confident while choosing their career in their walks of life. In addition to that, IFVI, of course, Indo-Brazil Virtual Educational Exchange, my favorite, you can say that topic and favorite program, is our unique initiative, which has connected us globally. It has provided students with international practical experience and developed their communication skills. Global exposure at such an early age is unquestionably a lifetime experience for the students. It prepared students to be more responsible and independent in thinking. Hence, through this, the seed of global education and global employment has been sown in them at this early age. So of course, all these unique programs which are there under one roof of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School. Thank you.
That's wonderful, ma'am. To all my viewers, जब हम सोचते हैं कि स्कूल हम बच्चों को सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए भेजते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. हम स्कूल में बच्चों को ओवरऑल डेवलप करते हैं. आचार्य श्री विजय वल्लभ स्कूल एक ऐसा स्कूल जो बच्चे को छोटे एज से, जब आप जो इवनिंग्स में आप बच्चों के साथ पार्क्स में खेलते हो, तो उसमें भी आप लर्निंग कैसे एड इन कर सकते हो, ये प्रोग्राम ये मोटिवेट करता है. तो गो फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम, ग्रैब दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. IECD, हमने बहुत सारी चीजें, कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्शन, मेरी सुभाष सर से जब पहले बात हो रही थी तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि जो IECD है, मैंने इस सोच से बनाया कि बहुत सारी मदर्स को तो मैं देखता था, वो छोड़ने आती थी बच्चों को, और वो मैं देखता था कि कोई ना कोई प्रोग्राम उनका रह गया, क्योंकि उन्होंने मदरहुड को अपने करियर से ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया. बट अब बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं तो वो बच्चों के साथ में और सीख सकती हैं और आगे बढ़ सकती हैं. तो इस तरीके से वुमेन को एम्पावर करना और सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ बेटर करने की सोच से IECD बना. I request all my viewers to go ahead, enroll to this program और अपने बेस्ट ऑफ द फैकल्टीज से आप सीखें. यहाँ पर ये प्रोग्राम हम सबके वो सारे सपने पूरे करने के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जो कोई ना कोई कारण से रह गए थे. एंड IFVI, as मैम राइटली सेड, इंटरनेशनल कल्चरल एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम, जिसके बारे में हम और भी बात करेंगे. So with this I'll move ahead to my next segment, and I would like to ask this to Subhash sir now. Sir, आचार्य विजय वल्लभ स्कूल में बहुत सारी अमेजिंग प्रोग्राम्स और अकम्पलिशमेंट्स है, पर आप सबसे ज्यादा प्राउड कौन से अकम्पलिशमेंट को लेके हो?
Seema ji, actually there have been a series of achievements, and really I am proud of because you see these all achievements have been because of say the wonderful support we have been receiving from the teachers, from the parents, and from the community at large as such, right? So basically I feel that the every child, हर व्यक्ति जो विशेष है, हर बच्चा जो है वो विशेष है, और हर बच्चे को उसको he should get an opportunity of showing his talent to the society, which normally doesn't happen. So my school firmly believes that every child can experience CIS and go to the highest class as a responsible citizen. I feel that every child should be prepared to take charge of the future, and we should make him as a productive member of the say the community as such. With the combined efforts of the schools, as I said, of the teachers and the parents together, along with the management, we have been achieving 100% SSC results since last so many of years regularly. Not only that, but we are trying that every child passing out of my school should secure minimum distinction nearby to this our say the vision as such. लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि हर बच्चा कम से कम उसको एक डिस्टिंक्शन उसको मिलना चाहिए, ताकि वो जब स्कूल से बाहर निकले तो उसको I mean he will have his confidence that I have tried to reach to the maximum level as such. The academics की बात करते हैं. Academics के अलावा we have been doing lot many things to encourage each and every small aspect of the child. क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि academics they may not be very strong, but they have got a lot of other things which adds to his personality, and we want to motivate that personality. We wanted to see that how he can get an opportunity to show his talent to the outside world as such. तो उस हिसाब से we encourage our students to appear for various competitive exams. फिर वो एकेडमिक वाली एग्जाम हो, नॉन एकेडमिक वाली एग्जाम हो, फिर वो ड्राइंग की एग्जाम हो और कोई एग्जाम हो, उसमें हम उनको एनकरेज करते हैं, उनको मोटिवेट करते हैं, और उनके लिए हम साधन सामग्री की व्यवस्था भी स्कूल की तरफ से करते हैं. We have started IECD, as you have rightly said, with the aim of providing the student and their family members with different courses. तो ये अलग अलग कोर्सेज जो है, ये कोर्सेज से भी हम देखते हैं कि उन बच्चों में जो हिडन टैलेंट जो है उसको हम कैसे उजागर कर सके, और उसको फॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव बीन रिसीविंग वेरी गुड द सपोर्ट आल्सो फ्रॉम ऑल दीज people, the parents and the students also. We do have the unique well equipped language lab, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा 60 computers जिसमें multilinguistic languages can be taught as such. तो उसके ऊपर भी हम फ्लेयर डेवलप करना चाहते. दैट ऑल्सो आई विल काउंट अपॉन एज एन वन ऑफ द वेरी वंडरफुल अचीवमेंट ऑफ माय स्कूल. कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि इस टाइप की लैंग्वेज लैब कहाँ नहीं बनी स्कूल लेवल पे, जैसे हमको उस वक्त बताया कि इस टाइप की लैंग्वेज लैब सारी सिर्फ यूनिवर्सिटीज में या बड़े बड़े महाविद्यालयों में होती है, स्कूल लेवल पे इतनी बड़ी नहीं थी, विच वी स्टार्टेड. तो वो हमारे हिसाब से एक अचीवमेंट बड़ी अच्छी रही. दूसरी एक बहुत अच्छी अचीवमेंट ऐसी है कि वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद इंटर स्कूल कॉम्प्यूस्किल कंपटीशन. हमने देखा कि अभी कंप्यूटर हैज बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ नाउ. कंप्यूटर के ऊपर बच्चे इतना बढ़िया काम करते कि जो हम सोच नहीं सकते. उनकी क्रिएटिविटी जो है वो उसमें हम देखते हैं, तो इट इज सो अमेजिंग एंड सो वंडरफुल. और छोटे बच्चों में भी ये क्रिएटिविटी बहुत अच्छी नजर आती है. सो टू गिव एन प्लेटफॉर्म टू सच एक्टिविटीज वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद इंटर स्कूल कॉम्प्यूस्किल कंपटीशन. और ये कंपटीशन हम गए 8 सालों से कर रहे हैं. ये कंपटीशन हम जो करते हैं इसमें हमको सहयोग जो मिला है, आई मीन यू विल बी प्लीज्ड टू नो, वी हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद कंप्यूटर सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया, we have been associated with Tata Consultancy Services, we have been associated with Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited, we have been associated with Rotary Club of Pune Midtown. तो ये सारे लोग जो इस क्षेत्र में बहुत बढ़िया नाम रखते हैं, they have supported us for these activities. And over the period, Seema ji, the participation of the school, participation from the children, from the students is getting amazed. ये साल तो सीमा जी, we had a participation not only from Pune but from the outstations also, like जैसे बॉम्बे से टीम थी, लोनावाला से थी, अहमदाबाद से थी, और उसके आगे हमको ये साल इंटरनेशनल टीम ने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया. सिंस इट वाज ऑनलाइन, वी हैड टीम्स पार्टिसिपेटेड फ्रॉम यूएसए एंड फ्रॉम ब्राजील आल्सो. So this shows that this inter-school ये participation जो हमने बच्चों के लिए दिया to show their say the creativity and to show their I mean see this is an opportunity which gives students an opportunity to share, to interact, develop team spirit, evaluate themselves and explore their hidden talents. The initiative is a small attempt to strengthen the techies of tomorrow with ideas, platforms and processes which we hope will inspire them to contribute constructively towards the vibrant India or say vibrant world also. So ये भी मेरे हिसाब से बहुत बढ़िया अचीवमेंट हमारे स्कूल की है और ये हमारे गए 8 साल से ये बिल्कुल हर साल प्रोग्राम चलता है एंड वी विश कि भी ये आगे भी चलता रहे और बच्चों को हम ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमेशा देते रहे। इसके अलावा जो एक नई हमने ये 2 साल में ऑनलाइन की एक्टिविटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए वी हैव सी नॉर्मली वी बिलीव इन नोवेल आइडियाज, वी वांट टू गो फॉर सम नोवेल थिंग, वी वांट टू गो फॉर समथिंग डिफरेंट थिंग। हम देखते कि कुछ अलग हम क्या कर सकते। तो जैसे ये साल वी सिंस इट वाज ऑनलाइन द बच्चों को गैजेट्स वर जस्ट कंफर्टेबली अवेलेबल है, सो वी हैव गॉन फॉर द इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशनल एक्सचेंज। नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि भाई मैं थोड़ा बाहर भी जा घूमते रहता हूँ, सो व्हेन आई गो आउटस्कर्ट, व्हेन आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, व्हेन आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड द अमेरिकन कंट्रीज, आई कीप इन टच विद लॉट ऑफ एजुकेशनिस्ट, वहाँ के लोगों को मिलते रहता हूँ। तो उसमें से आई हैड गुड कनेक्शंस डेवलप। तो उसमें से ये मेरे को ख्याल है कि अभी ऑनलाइन का जमाना आ रहा है, ऑनलाइन बच्चे बैठे हैं, तो व्हाई नॉट टू डेवलप दिस एक्टिविटी। सो इंडो ब्राजील वर्चुअल एजुकेशनल एक्सचेंज, दिस एक्टिविटी वी स्टार्टेड लास्ट जुलाई से दिसंबर तक हमारे बच्चे ब्राजील के बच्चों के साथ एवरी ट्यूसडे दे हैव स्पेंट अबाउट 90 मिनट्स ऑन कंप्यूटर। दे हैव एक्सचेंज द apart from academics, they have exchanged the virtual the cultural things of our country. They have exchanged their own hidden talents और अलग अलग तरीकों से वो बच्चों के साथ जुड़ गए। और तो वो भी एक्टिविटी मेरे हिसाब से has an I can say is an achievement which we have introduced and we have brought our students to the world platform। और उनको ये छोटे एज में आज 12 से 14 साल के 10 से 14 साल के बच्चों को आज उनके फ्रेंड्स आज इंटरनेशनली तैयार होना, उनके साथ उन्होंने बातें करना, उनके साथ उन्होंने आइडिया शेयर करना, उनके साथ उन्होंने टैलेंट शेयर करना। सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, उन्होंने सीमा जी उनको अपना समोसा कैसे बनाता है वो सिखाया और उनसे उनकी एक आधी चीज सीखी। तो दिस इज हाउ आई मीन वी हैव ट्राइड टू ब्रिंग द पीपल टुगेदर। सो ऐसे ये बहुत सारी ये अचीवमेंट्स है। इसके अलावा व्हाट आई कैन कोट इन वन लाइन, जैसे हमारा वीवीएस न्यूज़लेटर, हम साल में 3 वीवीएस न्यूज़लेटर लाते हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो एन अचीवमेंट। मेरे ख्याल से बहुत कम स्कूलों में ऐसे न्यूज़लेटर निकलता होगा। हर साल हमारा विजय पथ जो निकलता है, इट्स एन say the yearly magazine which gives an opportunity for our children to showcase their hidden talents या उनका कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसे अलग अलग हम एक्टिविटीज करते हैं। एंड टू ऐड द लास्ट वन व्हाट आई शुड से सीमा जी, ये साल जैसे ये वापस अपना ये लॉकडाउन चालू हो गया, लास्ट लॉकडाउन में वी हैव अरेंज्ड कपल ऑफ वेबिनार्स जिसमें हमने एजुकेशनिस्ट, डॉक्टर्स, अलग अलग लोगों को पैनल पे लाके वी हैव एजुकेटेड आवर चिल्ड्रन एंड द पेरेंट्स आल्सो। ये साल वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड सीमा जी न्यू कांसेप्ट दैट इज विजय वल्लभ संडे आवर। हर संडे एट बिटवीन 11 to 12 60 मिनट्स का वी ऑर्गेनाइज एन वेबिनार जिसमें वी ब्रिंग इन द रिनाउंड पर्सनालिटीज फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ वेरियस फील्ड, और उनके द्वारा बच्चों के लिए और उनके पेरेंट्स के लिए वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इन द नॉवेल आइटम्स। तो जैसे ये अभी हमारा ये 5th वेबिनार शैल बी कमिंग ऑन दिस संडे। इसके पहले के वेबिनार में वी स्टार्टेड विद द say the increasing the immunity, basic immunities कैसे improve करें। We started with the how you can use the gas home. अभी बच्चे गैजेट्स यूज कर रहे हैं, तो how to use gadgets constructively for the better tomorrow. ये that was the one thing. फिर then we invited Charuhas Pandit saying for the be an cartoonist कि बच्चे आप भी कार्टूनिस्ट बन सकते हैं, तो घर के बैठ के आप कैसे कर सकते हैं. So that was the be a cartoonist ऐसे था. अभी हमारा कैलीग्राफी के ऊपर आ रहा है. Last week we had Dr. Pallavi Gavane and Dr. Naik showing the importance of the yoga and the yoga practices. तो ऐसे हर संडे this Vijay Vallabh hour we have introduced. So ये सारी चीजें सीमा जी मेरे ख्याल से this is the say achievement of my school, and for all these things, as I rightly said initially, there is a lot of efforts coming out from my teachers, from my team, and there is a lot of support I am getting from my all parents and from my education committee, from my management and the students at large. Many thanks, Seema ji.
Wonderful, sir. No doubt there is a huge list of achievements, and they are truly wow moments. But I would also like to say here, with a visionary leader like you, there are many more glorious chapters going to be added to Acharya Vijay Vallabh soon. Such unique thoughts and such unique programs you have. This is truly an inspiration for all of us, for all the teachers, all the principals, and all the parents, students, to have a different opportunity for learning, to learn in a model which has never been thought of. So this makes me go to Mansi ma'am again. Ma'am, अभी सर ने हमें बहुत सारे achievements और बहुत सारे accomplishment के बारे में बात की है, but हर accomplishment के पीछे बहुत बड़े challenges भी होते हैं, बहुत मेहनत भी होती है. तो आपसे ये पूछना चाहेंगे मैम कि आपने ऐसे आपकी लाइफ पे कोई ऐसे stressful scenario आया होगा और आपने उसको past में कैसे handle किया?
Yeah, it was very true that the last year during the pandemic was very stressful for all of us. A sudden outbreak of pandemic not only shattered our health, but also devastated our mental health, because we all were mentally disturbed because of this, you can say, sudden change in the environment and the scenario. It was such a panicking situation. But I am very proud to tell you that with the guidance of our chairman, Shri Subhashji Parmar sir, we were one of the pioneering school in Pune to adopt virtual education. So we have right from in the month of March, the lockdown started. Immediately we have started with the virtual education, online education for the students. From then it's there itself. To boost the morale of the teachers, we adopted with different digital platforms through which they can give the online learning to the students. For students, we conducted different webinar, as sir said right now, with virtual activities we arrange in order to make their positive engagement. We tried seeking parent support through the webinar, as sir said, and again, I want to invite the viewers, those who are viewing this interview, that please attend the webinars on every Sunday 11 to 12 on our Facebook channel, which are very useful in our day-to-day life, because whatever the topics are taken that are related to the current issues. So kindly do that. We also, it is published on our Facebook page and also through school's YouTube channel. For evaluation too, we utilize various digital modes and tried our best to make it interesting. So of course, the last year was very stressful scenario for all of us. But thank God we are coming out of that slowly. Thank you.
That's wonderful, ma'am. So to all my viewers, subscribe to Acharya Vijay Vallabh's YouTube channel, like their pages, follow them, and explore the new model of learning altogether. This brings to me to the very interesting segment of the show, and that is called Rapid Fire Round. Sir and ma'am, you have to answer in just one word. All right, so here we start with sir. Subhash sir, describe your leadership style in one word.
I should say it's a dynamic one.
Very good. It truly is. Going forward, Mansi ma'am, what should be the duration of an exam for secondary school students?
If they are writing physically, 3 hours. If MCQ is there, 1 hour.
Good. This is the hot topic of discussion going on.
Yeah.
60 minutes, 90 minutes, 3 hours. So I just wanted to hear it out from the educator. What are their views? Going ahead, Subhash sir, what is the right form of education? one model for all or individualized learning?
It should be one model for all.
All right. So Mansi ma'am, at what age should children be taught to write?
I think the 3 years age is the appropriate age.
All right. So Subhash sir, what do children need more of today? A teacher, a mentor, or a friend?
A mentor. A mentor is
Mentor.
basically required, right?
So Mansi ma'am, this is the last question of this round. Since you have 62 computers language lab, which is the most important language our children must excel in?
English language, global language it is, so it is used everywhere. English language is the most appropriate.
So to all my viewers, ensure that you and help your children also to excel in this language. A central language of communication is English language, and ma'am rightly said it connects each one of us globally if we have proficiency in this. So this brings to me to some secrets to be unrevealed. We know sir has so many things going on and sir is visionary, so many ideas. So sir, we would like to ask, ये इतने amazing ideas जब आपको आते कैसे हैं? ऐसी कौन सी आपकी hobbies या sports है जिसमें आप involved हो आपके वर्क के अगेंस्ट अलावा भी, जहां से आप ये सब सोच पाते हैं and you can bring out all these things?
Fine, Seema ji, it is very difficult to say क्योंकि when these all things normally come from the regular walk of life, उसके लिए कोई अलग कुछ नजरिए की जरूरत नहीं है. From walk of life only normally I try to gather these things. Coming back to Shri, you asked that some hobbies or what the activities are there. So just normally say I should say that I believe that fundamentally by health one needs to be strong. So basically I give a lot of time. I feel that every day exercise, every day looking after your health is the most primarily needed. I love swimming, so I love to swim. So normally I try to go for swimming every day. That also I try to keep it up so that keeps me say fit and that keeps me healthy also. I have got an interest right from beginning, which I have inherited from my family, is basically the social engagement. My family or myself, we all really believe that you should be a responsible citizen for the society as such. It's not only your family, the entire society or the community is your one family. So I feel that the social engagement should be there, and those social engagements can come out of your business, can come out of your community, can come out of your say the academics as such, but you should try to justify all these things. I keep myself to learning throughout my life. I never say that I have stopped. Even as of now also, I'm trying to learn. I'm getting associated with couple of say the courses. I have enrolled myself. तो मैं देखता हूँ कि कुछ ना कुछ मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ, पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, and that gives me lot of say the inherent happiness कि कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. Music is my passion again. School time say music and the drama was my passion. I have participated in a lot of dramatic activities at the school and at the college level also, and music also I have learned from the school time. So I play a couple of musical instruments. In turn, I have made my children, my wife, to learn the music. They also play a lot of say the instruments. So music is also and say part of my life or our family's life as such. तो ये सारी चीजें जो है ये चीजें करते करते भाई यहीं से कहीं से इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है, and social engagements give me a lot of encouragement to do, and that motivates me to do something differently. बहुत सारे लोग रेगुलर तो चीजें करते ही है, but I always have a feeling that we should think out of the box. We should think something newer things. The world is changing so rapidly, and especially this new century, 21st century. Fortunately, say I have been say the witness of the earlier century also, or ये century का भी. So दोनों century में जो there is a very vast difference. I can see what I have learned and what my children have learned. What say I have earned and what my children are earning. So these all things are really making a tremendous difference. So I'm trying to bring what best we can do out of all these things. और ये करते करते इसमें से जो मोटिवेशन मिलता है उसको मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि लाइफ में लावे. And fortunately, Seema ji, I have got very good friend circle. I have got very good city society. I have got very good city community as such. So we have already always inspired me, who have motivated me to bring in the new things. So फिर वो normally say my family, we have got say interest more in education and the medical facilities. We wish that at social these two important things are there, and fortunately we are trying to do something in the both field. We have started one school at our say the village. I mean, we are basically from the Rajasthan, from a small village, so we have started one school over there in the name of my father. So wherein say the school is open for the economically weaker section of the society, जिसका कोई चार्ज नहीं है और एक वक्त का उनको भोजन जो है वो बच्चों को देते हैं. तो यू कैन इमेजिन व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन दे आर कमिंग. सो आज भी जो वहाँ 201 बच्चे जो पढ़ते हैं, सो आई फील दैट वी हैव ब्रॉट दीज चिल्ड्रन to the flame of the education as such. और एक बच्चे को अपन पढ़ाते हैं तो ऐसे अपन समझते हैं कि एक फैमिली को पढ़ाने जैसा हो जाता है. So that is how I feel that by walk of life में, in case if you are open, in case if you keep your eyes open, in case if you keep your ears open, that teaches you and that makes you to make lot many good things together. So this is what in short the things are there. Fine. At home I love to help my wife while cooking and while doing lot many things together also. That also is there. So and entire my family, my children, they have been very helpful. I wish and I love to help them out. छोटी मोटी बातों से उनको भी मैं मदद करते रहता हूँ. म्यूजिक के लिए उनको इंस्पायर करता हूँ, उनकी बातें सुनता हूँ, सुनाता हूँ. तो ये सारी चीजें gives me a lot of happiness and accomplishment at home. Thank you, Seema.
Beautiful, sir. Music definitely is a very powerful therapy. ये आपको काम करता है, आपको पीस देता है, प्लस आपकी लाइफ में एक डिसिप्लिन भी लाता है. एंड एज सर सेड, सोशल क्वेश्चन आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है. एंड व्हेन लीडर इज सो सोशली एंगेज एंड कनेक्टेड, definitely it is going to be passed on to all the students and the staff of the Vijay Vallabh School. So ma'am, now we heard about sir. Sir अपनी वाइफ को कुकिंग में भी हेल्प करते हैं, स्विमिंग भी करते हैं, म्यूजिक के लिए सर का प्यार है. अब आपकी हॉबीज के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे मैम.
Yes, well, there are many we can say, but few I can tell you right now. Actually, I love traveling to explore the various places, as it makes me to feel modest. I feel that it enriches our life with experiences to cherish. I also love cooking because it is the stress booster for me. I cook various dishes, all Chinese, Italian, all type of dishes. I make it at home, of course, with the help of YouTube. And listening to the old Hindi songs is an inseparable part or separable part of my life. Like any other Indian, I enjoy watching cricket matches. And of course, the main thing is, as I am a teacher, I like to teach, interact with the students, go in the class, give some topic, let them interact with each other, have the debate on that topic, and like that, I love to teach also. Thanks.
Great, ma'am. So this brings to me to the last question of the day to both of you, and that is called question of the day. So Subhash ji, you are called a virtual exchange maker, a man who opened learning beyond boundaries. So we already discussed a little about Indo-Brazilian exchange program, but I would also like to know about what all went in the planning and execution of this.
Seema ji, actually वैसे देखा जाए तो I mean say this was a totally new idea, a different concept as such, right?
Right.
When I have been traveling, as I said, I used to meet a lot of educationists. I visited a couple of educational institutes, schools को भी मैंने visit किया है. तो हर जगह curiosity जैसे बनी रहती थी. And out of this curiosity, I have tried to develop say good relations with a lot of educationists all across. When we have come with this lockdown period and when the gadgets were open to the children comfortably at home, I felt that now, why not to take an advantage of using our international connections also. And out of those international connections, I just happened to speak to a couple of my friends of educators from the outside. और उनको मैंने ये बात कही कि इसमें मेरे बच्चों को और अपने बच्चों को अपन साथ में मिला देवे तो हो सकता है कि कुछ अलग उसमें से निखर आए, अलग कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो बट नेचुरल शुरुआत यही थी कि भाई एकेडमिकली यूर academics are different, our academics are different, so how, I mean, they will come closer. So I said it's not only the academic, we have to look to the overall development, we have looked to the say overall how we can improve say connectivity between the children as such. तो उस हिसाब से जब ये मैंने कुछ लोगों से बात की तो पॉसिबल हुआ. I spoke to my principal, I spoke to my teachers, and then in turn my people, they spoke to parents and the children also कि इस टाइप का हम करना चाहते हैं, इस टाइप की एक्टिविटी है. सो बट नेचुरल भाई शुरुआत में लोगों को लगा कि ये कर रहे थे, इसमें कुछ पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, कुछ पैसे बहुत बड़े लग जाएंगे. सो आई सेड इट्स नॉट दैट, आई मीन नॉट अ सिंगल पेनी. सीमा जी, ये जो सारी एक्टिविटी हम जो कर रहे हैं इसमें नॉट अ सिंगल पेनी हैज बीन पेड बाय any child or any parent. This entire activity we have done on our own. Even international also, I mean, say at lot many places there are the charges which are fabulous charges, but I have convinced them that we need to create a model. We need to create a model for other people to say look at that model again. तो उस हिसाब से they also have agreed, and then slowly we just come. और उस फिर हफ्ते के लिए हमने कोशिश की. I got very good team हमारे यहाँ, जैसे along with principal I got a good team. We have constructed a team कि जो इसका सारा डिटेलिंग करेगा. और वहाँ की जो है ब्राजील की जो है रोजा ड्रूमंड मैडम जो है, I mean a good friend of mine, she showed a lot of interest along with me. And then when we discussed, she also came with the fabulous ideas, which she came with the fabulous work of doing how we can take this ahead. और इसके ऊपर धीरे धीरे हम जैसे आगे बढ़े तो इसमें काम अच्छे तरीके से चला. I should say that this particular say the approach which Rosa Drummond put forward for the proposal of exchange through this virtual platform, therein I mean we have thought that how we can bring the world together. जैसे अभी तो जैसे भारत और ब्राजील के बच्चे आए हैं, तो आगे चल के हम ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि इसके साथ अलग अलग देशों के बच्चे भी एक दूसरे के साथ मिल सकते हैं. तो यही बात ध्यान में रखते हुए फिर मैंने बीच में क्या किया, आउट ऑफ माय रिलेशन एक जर्मनी की एक विजिटर who had been to my school, I had brought her to my school, उनके साथ कनेक्ट किया और जर्मनी के स्कूल के साथ हमने एक वर्चुअल एक्सचेंज किया. फिर एक वर्चुअल एक्सचेंज मैंने केनिया के स्टूडेंट के साथ किया. केनिया की एक यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ नैरोबी की एक प्रोफेसर जो है, जो डॉक्टरेट कर रही है, उनके साथ भी मेरे अच्छे दोस्ती थी. उनको रिक्वेस्ट की तो उन्होंने मेरे को एक केनिया की स्कूल के साथ कनेक्ट करवाया, उनके साथ हमने किया. देन वी कनेक्टेड टू द आयरलैंड एजुकेटर्स आल्सो. वी कनेक्टेड विद द जर्मन फिनलैंड educator also. तो ऐसे हमने we have opened up chapter और slowly we have created जैसे ये जो सारा हमारा प्रवास जो चला, ये जो जैसे हमारी ये जो सफर जो चला, ये सफर हमको सिखाते गया और हमने देखा बच्चे बहुत प्रभावी हो रहे, बच्चे बहुत इंटरेस्ट ले रहे. और जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाई सिंपल जो छोटी चीज जो थी कि नमस्ते सिखाना और उनके हिसाब से पोर्टुगीज यहाँ का ओब्रिगाडो हम सीखना. So yes, चीज really impacted me कि this I felt that we can bring the communities together, we can bring the people together. और मेरे ख्याल से ये आगे के इसमें भी चलेगा. आगे चल के मेरा ऐसे विजन है कि I am working, यदि नए साल में यही ऐसे चल रहा है तो maybe we shall be connecting with lot of other countries. I already have got an opportunities from the other countries who are anxious to connect with my school, with my children. Last year हमने थोड़े बड़े लेवल के बच्चे लिए थे. ये साल मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कुछ छोटे उम्र के बच्चे जो उनको भी मैं कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. और ऐसे ही ये things we are trying to work out. And I should say that my vision of connecting say globally, of bringing my children, my school and my teachers on a global language, global say the platform. So I should say that my idea has come to a reality with its fabulous completion. एक हमने अप्रैल महीने में हमने जो ये प्रोग्राम किया था, इसका हमने इंटरनेशनल हमने प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रोग्राम किया, जिसमें we invited educators from the United States, from the United Kingdom, from the Zambia, from Greece. ऐसे एजुकेटर्स वी कनेक्टेड और उनके प्रेजेंस में हमने ये बहुत शानदार प्रोग्राम किया और दिस दैट वाज ऑन फेसबुक लाइव and it was seen by say thousands of people all across the world and uska jo mere ko feedback jo mil raha hai, that really has given me a lot of say the encouragement, motivation again, and I should say that it is a great leap towards futuristic education. और उसमें से सीमा जी आगे चल के मैं कहूंगा कि इसमें से यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में या एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने पॉजिटिव डिसिप्लिन, एक पॉजिटिव डिसिप्लिन सकारात्मक जो अपन शिस्त बोलते हैं, तो सकारात्मक डिसिप्लिन के ऊपर एक उनका जो 10 दिन का कोर्स जो है 3 घंटा रोज का ऐसे कोर्स जिस विच इज कॉस्टिंग $400 that they are offering to my entire staff free of cost. And there will be certificate also awarded to my all the staff, which certificate will be considered as an international recognition to my teachers. तो ये सारी चीजें जो है, these all things have come out of this say the activity, and I'm really thankful to all my. I see, in fact क्या होता है सीमा जी, ये बात मैं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन it is not my say the saying. It is entirely the system which my teachers have created, और मेरे teachers और ये सारा जो अपन संडे का मैं प्रोग्राम कर रहा हूँ, ये सारे वेबिनार सेमिनार से सारे जो चल रहे हैं, या हर हफ्ते ये उनके साथ 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा बैठना, उसके लिए पहले प्रिपरेशन करना. सो यू कैन इमेजिन द टीचर्स हैव पुट सो मच ऑफ द एफर्ट्स एज सच. फिर ठीक है, मेरे को तो वही ऊपर ऊपर मैं कर रहा था, बट टीचर्स हैव बीन रियली हेल्पफुल. सो आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू एंटायर माय द फैकल्टीज, द टीचर्स एंड द मेंटर्स, क्योंकि मेरे मेंटर्स जो उन्होंने भी बहुत मेरे को फ्रॉम टाइम एंड अगेन they have given me the motivated me. My education committee की जिसमें बहुत सारे अपने community के लोग हैं, मेरे लोग हैं, so they also have been say helping me out to do all these things and to reach out to the something different, and they have shown all that faith and commitment which has led me to take this possible. And as you said that my dream has really come to an reality as of today. Thank you, Seema ji.
Wow, so what, there is so many wonderful thoughts in your this answer कि एक idea मैं सोच तो लेता हूँ, but उसको execute करने के लिए I have a strong team, and a great leader believes in giving recognition to the team. You truly give motivation to your faculty, your teachers, to bring out the best in them, and you have a supremely talented principal along with to carry your vision further. And I'm sure very soon we'll have a future school in Pune. And you are the
Right.
one who has, you are, blooming many flowers to bear such fruitful fruits. And it's surely going to be something really amazing. To all my viewers, अभी तक आपको लगता था स्कूल में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? स्मार्ट बोर्ड है क्या? आपके स्कूल में कोएड है क्या? कंप्यूटर लैब है क्या? Please come out of this thinking and know this amazing school with very different approach, with very new concept. Now you should ask, आपके पास language lab है क्या? Do you have exchange programs? Right, sir?
Right.
So
Very
parents,
absolutely.
दुनिया बहुत आगे निकल गई है. So सर से आप समझिए कि कैसे हर चीज में अपॉर्चुनिटी है. सर ने पैंडेमिक को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और पूरे स्कूल को, टीचर्स को, पेरेंट्स को, ये पूरे ट्रायंगल को ग्लोबली कनेक्ट कर दिया है. Hats off to you, sir. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. To you, to your team, I salute you for whatever you are doing. It's not easy, and I look forward for more such programs. It was wonderful to have you both. I have
Thank
learned
you.
so much from you that there is so much to do in this field, and with leaders like you, there will be great change coming in. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Seema ji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And with this, I would like to end this session. And to all my viewers, I had amazing time enriching myself, and I'm sure this show, our discussion was equally insightful for you too. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Seema ji. Thank